Monster Rocky has been set the challenge by Glitter to come up with his very own glitter creation. So, Rocky, what will we be making today? Rocky's Glitter Rock! To decorate our rock, we will need a pebble, blue and green paint, blue glitter, a pencil, paintbrush and a black marker pen. I'm going to start by drawing my design onto the rock with a pencil. As it's Rocky's rock, I thought I would draw Rocky's face. He has an oval-shaped face, similar to the shape of this pebble. He also has 2 big eyes and 2 ears that look like bat wings. Now I'm colouring in Rocky's face using some bright blue paint. When you do this too, remember to leave a gap for his eyes, otherwise he'll have blue eyes. I'm just going to add his ears and a little tuft on the top of his head. Add blue glitter and shake it off. Wow! Now using green paint, add his green tongue, and with the black marker pen, add 2 dots for his eyes and a smile. And there we have it. Wow! Look at Rocky's little face. And his cheeky green tongue. You know, Rocky is going to love this. In fact, I'm going to show him it right now. If only I knew where he was. Rocky! Whoa! Wait for me, Rocky!
We're cheeky monsters!
And if you want to join in with more cheeky monster creations after this video, why not subscribe to our My Cheeky Monsters channel?